Hi, this is Michelle Roebuck and I want to thank you for watching this video. Today I'm talking about the new business that I'm in called Direct Mail Pro. I've made several videos talking about this and going over the compensation plan, so if you want to see those videos, go ahead and click the subscribe button below and go to my channel and check those videos out. Okay, so what I'm doing in this video is giving you an unboxing of the product that Direct Mail Pro ships to you when you purchase one of their product levels. Okay, so let me go down here. I already opened the box that it came in. I have the actual box. I'll show that to you in a minute. But on top of the box you get this certificate of elite acknowledgement. I'm at the elite level for Direct Mail Pro, and as you can see, it's got my name and it's got the CEO's signature on here, right here, and that's Peter Wolfing. He's the CEO of Direct Mail Pro, and October 4th 2019. Okay, so you'll get a certificate of acknowledgement when you join Direct Mail Pro. And here's the box that it comes in. The big business in a box. Okay, big business in a box. And as you can see here down at the bottom, right here, it says elite. That's the level that I joined, elite, which is the $1,000 level. Okay, so whatever level you join, there's going to be that thing right there. It'll show you which level you joined. So let me go over the contents of the box. Okay, and most people are going to get pretty much the similar stuff in their box, but I'll go over with it real quick with you. First, there's some quotes on this box. The first quote is, "The ownership of money and property comes as a result of doing things in a certain way. Those who do things in this certain way, whether on purpose or accidentally, get rich." And that's a quote by Wallace D. Wattles, who wrote the book The Science of Getting Rich. Okay, and that's a book I highly recommend that you get. I think you can download that book for free on the internet, and it's an old book, came out like in the early part of the 20th century, but it's a very good book. It's one of those books that you don't just read one time, you read it several times. Okay, and another quote here by Napoleon Hill, who wrote the book Think and Grow Rich, another book I highly recommend that you get. "Whatever the mind of man can conceive and believe, it can achieve." Okay, two very good quotes there. So let's open up the box here. Alright, so first thing you get, the most important part, is the USB drive that has your product on it. Okay, I'm at the elite level, and at the elite level, not only do I get the elite products that are on this USB drive, I also get the two lower levels below that, which are Kickstarter and Amateur. Okay, so let me open this up real quick. And this USB drive looks just like the box. So I'll show it to you. Here it is. Looks just like the box. That's the front. That's what the front of the box looks like. That's what the back of the box looks like. So it's a credit card size USB drive. And all you do is open that up, stick it into your computer, and then you get access to your products. Close it up like that. So that's what the USB drive looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and put this back in the plastic here, okay, to protect it. All right. Okay, and it comes in this bubble wrap here. Oops. Alright, so put that back in the box. You also get this water bottle. It's an aluminum red water bottle with the logo Direct Mail Pro, Peel, Point, and Profit. So very high class water bottle right here, aluminum. Okay, you set these off to the side here. You also get at the Elite well, actually, at the amateur and above levels, you get 2 books by Peter Wolfing. The first book here is The Will to Win by Peter Wolfing and Brian Tracy, if you know who Brian Tracy is. And you might not get this exact same book. It depends on supply and demand. So, but I have this book, The Will to Win. I'll look forward to reading that. And I also got another book here by Peter Wolfing called I Quit: The Death of a Network Marketer by Peter Wolfing. So I look forward to reading that also. Okay, set those off to the side. And at the elite level and higher, you also get the Entrepreneur's Daily Planner by Direct Mail Pro. Okay, so this is, let me see how many pages this is. Okay, doesn't have the exact pages, but it's over 400 pages. Some just dropped out. It's over 400 pages, and it's a daily planner that you can use to put down your goals for your business, the tasks required to achieve your goals, your daily review at the end of the day, what you got done, the positive things that happened today, things I need to improve on, and some additional notes and some thoughts that you may have. So you do this every single day in your business, and this should help you to become successful in your business. Got a little, this is what fell out of the book, got a little button here for Direct Mail Pro. You can pin it on your shirt. Okay, let's see what else we got here. We have some sample postcards here. If you want to do postcard direct mail marketing for your business, there's some sample postcards here, very professionally made. And when you join Direct Mail Pro, you'll get access where you can go through the postcard generator and design your postcards, the front and the back. You can put your website address here, and people can go to your website and check out Direct Mail Pro and sign up. Okay, there is a welcome letter here from Peter Wolfing. It's a 4-page letter. 4-page letter by Peter Wolfing. Okay, I'll have to read that later. All right, so welcoming you to the business, and do you want to see how to use the Big Business in a Box from Direct Mail Pro? Do you want to know a secret? Who this product is for, who this product is not for? There's a disclaimer, and how to get the most out of the Big Business in a Box. There's a flyer in here for a Direct Mail Pro live event. Okay, so it's just telling you about live events that you could attend at the headquarters in New York City or at some exotic location. Here's a Direct Mail Pro Stupid Simple Steps for Insanely Profitable Income. You'll get this in your box here. There's 9 steps here. Basically going over, it's like a roadmap of exactly what you need to do in your business. There's a product listing flyer here that shows you what products you should get in your box here. Okay, and since I'm at the elite level, I get everything that's on here, the welcome letter, and there's some other stuff in here. I get, of course, the elite content along with the amateur and Kickstarter content. Let's see. There's an upgrade bonus flyer here. So you've got until whatever date is printed right here to upgrade, and all you have to do is pay the difference. Okay, so I have until November 15th to upgrade, and all I have to do is pay the difference whether I want to go to Pro or VIP. Okay, so when you get your box, it'll have a date on there where you can upgrade and only pay the difference in price. Otherwise, you'll have to pay the full price after that date. You get a live event certificate, $997 value, admit 1. This is for a Kickstarter event. Okay, you can apply for your seat while there's still room available, and they got the dates listed at that website address that you can see right there. Okay, so there is a registration fee of $49.95 per person because does cost a lot of, in New York City especially, it costs a lot of money to put on events and for food and stuff like that. But to go there to actually attend the event is free. Admit one, $997 value there. And you get the Direct Mail Pro magazine. Okay, this is a professionally done magazine, color, glossy magazine, and you can order these and have these printed with your website address on here on the back of it, and you can hand it out to people. And this is 15 trust building phrases, do you need a coach, and how to make the Google answer box yours, and more. So these are like social media domination tactics that you can use, as you can see here, that you can use for your business, and not just to promote Direct Mail Pro, but whatever business you're in. Okay, so that's all of the contents in the box here. So lots and lots of stuff. This is about a 10-pound box. So and I got it pretty quickly. I think they mailed them out on Monday, and I received it on Wednesday, but I waited until now to open up the box, okay, because I wanted to do a video, wanted to make sure I had enough time to do a video on it. Okay, but as far as the product listings are concerned, now if you come in at the Pro and VIP levels, you're going to get a computer bag in your box. Okay, and if you come in at the VIP level, you're also going to get a laptop. Yes, and it's not some cheap laptop. It's a laptop valued at around $400. It could be an HP laptop or a Lenovo laptop, whichever ones they have available. But you'll get a laptop on. It's not going to come in this particular box here, but it'll come in a separate box. Okay, so you'll end up getting two boxes when you come in at the VIP level, where the separate box you're going to get a laptop. Okay, so you can use that laptop in your business. Okay, so that's basically what I wanted to go over as far as the contents of the big business in a box. Like I said, it's a 10-pound box that you're getting. Okay, so there's a lot of good stuff in here. They did not, it's high quality too, so they did not scrimp on the products here. Now let me show you the website for Direct Mail Pro real quick. So here we are at the website for Direct Mail Pro. Okay, and I want to go over the product real quick. Okay, the big business in a box. Right here is Peter Wolfing, the CEO of Direct Mail Pro. Now he's also the CEO of the parent company, which is called Multiplex Systems Incorporated. Now if you look up Multiplex Systems Incorporated on the Better Business Bureau website, you'll see that it has an A rating with the BBB. Okay, so, and that company's been around for 21 years. So this guy, he knows his stuff. Now Direct Mail Pro is a digital and physical based product company which specializes in assisting individuals, small to medium sized companies to raise their game. Through top tier education, we show them how to expand their marketing and promotions through easy to understand education. So basically they provide business education, and when you join Direct Mail Pro, not only do you get the big business in a box with the product, the USB drive in it, you're also going to get instant access to your product levels in the back office. Okay, it's simple and easy. They combine old school with new school marketing techniques and strategies, and they have a powerful affiliate system. So let me show you the compensation plan real quick. The compensation plan is really simple. You earn 40% commissions on your first level sales. Those are people you directly bring into Direct Mail Pro using your affiliate link, and then when those people bring other people into Direct Mail Pro, you'll earn 20% commissions on your second level. Okay, so that's pretty much it as far as the compensation plan is concerned. Now what I like about Direct Mail Pro is that no matter which level you join, the lowest level Kickstarter, which is $250, all the way up to VIP level, which is $5,000. And these are one-time payments, so there are no monthly fees with this program. No matter which level you join, you'll always receive a commission when someone signs up with Direct Mail Pro. I've been in other companies where if you come in at a lower product level and then you bring somebody in who decides to join at a higher product level, you don't receive a commission at all. I've been in those type of programs, and that really sucks when you did the work to bring the person in, but then you don't get a commission because they joined at a higher product level than where you're at. Now with Direct Mail Pro, if let's say for instance you're at the elite level, which is $1,000, you bring somebody into Direct Mail Pro and they decide to join at a higher level Pro for $2,500, the commission, the 40% commission on the Pro level is $1,000. You're not going to get that full commission of $1,000 because you're not at the Pro level. However, since you're at the elite level, the 40% commission is $400. So you're going to receive the $400 out of that $1,000 commission. So the commission that's left over, which is $600, is going to roll up to the next person in your upline who's eligible at the Pro level. Okay, so again, like let's say you came in at Kickstarter for $250 and you brought somebody in who came in at the Pro level for $2,500. The commission, the 40% commission at the Kickstarter level is $100. So you would still get your $100 commission, but the rest of the $900 commissions left over rolls up to the next person, your upline, who's qualified at the Pro level. Okay, so that's how that works. And of course this shows what you get inside of your box when you join. And if you have any additional questions, all you have to do is click this button, questions, request a call back, and one of our success coaches will call you back to answer any questions that you may have about this business. And there is a survey that you'll have to fill out because they want to gauge, you know, how serious you are about starting this business and whether you actually have the budget in order to start and promote this business. So this is for serious people who are serious about starting their own business. Okay, you can promote this business online, you can promote it offline, or you can do a combination of both. You know, there's people in Direct Mail Pro who are doing a combination of both or one or the other. I like doing online marketing, so that's what I focus on. But they do have a frequently asked questions section here you can check out, and then if you want a call back from one of our success coaches, you can click on the callback button. Now if you're ready to get started, let's see, they've made some changes to this website since this business just launched in October 1st of this month. Okay, yeah, so if you want to get started, let me go back to that page real quick. All you have to do is click on this Get Started Now button and it will take you to the sign up page. Okay, as you can see, there's my picture and my name and everything. You just fill this out, enter the CAPTCHA code. The CAPTCHA code is whatever 3-digit number is right there. You just enter that in, okay, and just fill it out. Click the sign up button. Again, it's important, once you create your account, you'll be asked to select a product package. Do not create an account unless you're ready to make a payment. Okay, if you plan to promote as an affiliate, your username will appear in your affiliate link, so choose wisely. Alright, and also make sure that you double check your email address. I've had people sign up with me who had wrong email addresses. They misspelled their email address or something, so double check the email address when you put it in there. Okay, once you sign up and create your account, then a pop-up will come up on your dashboard asking you to choose a product level to purchase. Again, you can get started for as little as $250 one-time purchase. So if you're ready to get started, go ahead and click the very first link below this video in the description area. Again, I want to thank you for watching this video, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.